Hey, so what's going on, everyone? Today's going to be a video for Nvidia. We're going to drop another price prediction in the market for this stock because apparently the market has become a little bit more active considering that the United States has banned Nvidia from selling some of their chips to China. So apparently that's going to affect the stock price. You guys can already see in pre-market prices at $105. It closed yesterday at $112. So let's see what's about to pop into the market in Nvidia. Before I do, welcome over to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Tap the bell notification as well, because we want you to be aware of whenever these price predictions are posted to this platform. So now, we already did a price prediction in Nvidia back here on the 28th of March, anticipating lower prices. It did. Price came and hit our TP price on April the 4th, 15.1% there. Let's get rid of that. We will also get rid of these pockets of buying that the market ultimately did not hold. The market participants in Nvidia decided to hold all the way down here. Okay, so let's see if we can go ahead and get this a little bit cleaner for Nvidia. So that potential area was right there. Bring it to where we are at now. And you guys can see that this is where the people bought. Okay. They said, I'm about to come in and buy the market in for Nvidia right here around $86.60. Since that time, price has gone up. We hit this sell pocket right here on April the 9th. Price went down 5, almost 6% on the 10th. And then these buyers came right back and tested this sell pocket, only to see us in the pre-market all the way back down off of that sell pocket. So again, this area is being seen as a very strong point of selling that apparently these buyers cannot break through. They had, what, 4, 5, 6 trading days of trying to break above that sell pocket, and as of right now, they can't do it. Okay, so here it is on the 2. We have 9 hours and 5 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, and currently, if it's going to close down here around 106, expect the market to be bearish. Expect the market to be controlled by the sellers. Same thing here on the 3. Okay, we have 9 more hours left, and the market currently is closing well off the highs, or it looked like it will be. Nvidia on the 4. This is a pretty good 4-day bar for Nvidia. Considering on the prior 4 days, the market has given us a sell signal. Price in the beginning of this last printed 4-day bar did go lower, but the market, as you can see, accomplished closing higher. Same thing on the 5. Here's Nvidia on the weekly chart. Very strong indication of buyers hitting the market in Nvidia on the weekly. This weekly price bar, yes, sell. Next weekly price bar went right back up. Okay, kind of resembles what happened on this weekly time frame back in August of 2024. Nvidia on the 2 weeks looks pretty good there too. Buyers definitely came through over the last 2 weeks for Nvidia. Here it is on the 3. Have 1 day and 10 hours left, and it kind of resembles the 2. And same thing on the 5. Okay, so here's Nvidia on the 5-hour chart. So now currently we need to determine if the market participants will support and hold this area right here. Here's on the 1 hour. You guys can see that these buyers are definitely trying to hold price. If they won't hold it there, maybe here or here. Okay, let's look at this on a 30-minute. So yeah, right now it's kind of like a wait and see, because this market currently is being tested. Buyers are being tested right now to see whether or not they want to hold the price at 105. Sellers is coming in on this particular 30-minute bar, and it's still impacting the market participants. So it might be a quick move at market open to see Nvidia go higher. Okay, so if I were to look at this particular market on the long-term charts, i.e. the weekly time frame, I would say it look like price wants to go up. But I'm just going to put this back in the oven and let it cook to see how the price action is going to occur today. If the market closes on the low of the daily price bar, as well as on the 2, okay, because we still got 9 hours, and on the 3, that will give us a little bit more information that I would like to get first before dropping a prediction in Nvidia as to whether or not it's going to go up. Okay, because as right now, I would say that would be my thesis, that would be my opinion, to look for Nvidia to go higher. But I first need to see how drastic these sellers will be in the market for Nvidia today. So let me put the brakes on it, and we'll come back and see what the market's going to do for Nvidia. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.